Metal fences can look kinda crooked right after installation, especially when posts get driven in over tricky spots like sewer lines. So here's the deal. When you get a metal fence put up and they have to drive posts into tough ground, like over a sewer, it can throw things off a bit. First, make sure they're using a string line or fishing line to keep posts in a straight line. That is super important because it's cheap and fixes alignment issues big time. If the posts look crooked, it might just be the corner post being rotated or set slightly off. You can gently wiggle or adjust the post if it's not too set in concrete yet. Also, check if the posts are plumb, meaning perfectly vertical. Sometimes they lean a bit, and that messes with the look. When driving posts in hard soil, it's normal for minor shifts to happen, but it shouldn't be super noticeable or affect the fence's strength. If it really bugs you or looks uneven from a few feet away, ask your contractor to fix it before they finish. Don't be shy about asking them to tighten things up. It's your fence after all. One of the biggest mistakes in metal fence installation is not using a string line or any guide, which causes posts to end up crooked or uneven. Another common issue is rotating corner posts, which makes the fence look off even if the rest is straight. This is usually fixed by repositioning the post before finalizing. Lastly, not checking if posts are plumb leads to leaning fences that don't just look bad, but can weaken over time. Contractors should always use a level during installation. Fixing these usually means a quick adjustment before cement sets, so don't wait too long to speak up if you spot something weird. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find local contractors who actually know what they're doing, so you get quality work without the stress. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people needing projects done, making it easier to grow their business and build trust in their community.